More people after publishing their articles on the website, they don't get any traffic. Now I will show you how to get free traffic for your website. Before we start our video, don't forget to subscribe and click the like button and comment my videos. Let's jump to our video. Traffic source number one, repurposing. I mean repurposing, copy and paste or publish your content on social media like LinkedIn. You know, everyone, you know LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a social media network. The second traffic source is medium.com. Medium allow you to publish your articles and link your website to get more traffic to your website. According to similar web extension, Medium gets 133 organic traffic. The third traffic source is Quora.com. You know, Quora is a place where people ask questions and answer and link their website to get a free organic traffic. According to similar web extension, Quora gets 637 million visits per month. Let's show you this number. You see 637 organic free traffic. The fourth traffic source is Facebook. You know, Facebook is a place where people share their videos and articles and join different Facebook groups to get more traffic and link your website or YouTube links. The fifth traffic source is Pinterest. You know, Pinterest is a social media website to share your articles and videos and link your website or YouTube videos to get more traffic from this Pinterest website. Pinterest is like a search engine. You can get more traffic from this. According to similar web extension, Pinterest gets more visitor per month. The last traffic source is YouTube. YouTube is a video sharing platform to create videos and sharing and link your website in the description to get more traffic from YouTube. I hope this video will help you to grow your website and YouTube channels. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the like button and comment my videos. See you later. Bye.